Okie dokie. On the bench today, we have a Donkey Kong, a bootleg that is the Falcon Crazy Kong. Now, as you can see, I have been through, I've been through quite a few chips here, and you'll have to excuse the sync issue, right? As you can see, we got quite a sync issue. But maybe if I stop it real quick. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna show this here, but you can see how we got like blue letters. You can see how Pauline is all screwed up. You can see we're missing fire graphics like rest of the barrel. I know it's really hard. You can see how things are shifted. Let me see if I can fix this sync issue. This is annoying. Okay, so just added a resistor to the sync line here, and yeah, you'll see better here. Like, everything looks okay until you look here, right? Now look at Pauline, look at the ladders. We're missing stuff here. Now watch this. You see if I'm going to focus in and just keep it there, right? If I turn it off and I turn it back on, look at now it's different. Not here, now here, and here. Right? Whoa. So yes, we definitely have some wild stuff happening here with this Falcon bootleg. So what I had done is, oh yeah, look at that. Part 2 is completely shifted. Everything is just, it's all over the place, right? I'm just gonna, do I want to do that or deal with that? No, maybe I just change the pictures. Oops, change the picture size, sorry. Just see if I can get more of it on screen. Okay, all right. So, whoops, shoot. I went to wrong one there. Okay, so as you can see, yes, there are some serious issues going on here. Now, I went through this and I checked RAM. Oops, a little blown out there. Sorry about that. I checked RAM here, 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 here. I checked RAM everywhere. Now these were really corroded, so I went through and reflowed those, right? And you could see here, like, there's some wild stuff happening here. I went through and checked multiple logic chips. I mean, I just went through an absolute crap ton by piggybacking each one. I can probably back out just a little bit here. Piggybacking one by one by one by one by one. Just, oh, look at that. Look at where he is there. That's wild. One by one by one by one, just to see if I'd get any change at all. And no, nothing. Hang on here 1 second. So, as I was going through, I was worried that one of the ROMs was bad. And unfortunately, my programmer has a real difficult time with 27C16s, 32s, 64s. I can get away with 128s sometimes, depending on the chip, but 'tis what it is. So, like I said, went through, checked RAM, logic, you name it. Went through with my logic probe until, this might be a little hard to hear. See, normal, normal, right? All that seems normal to me. Something didn't sound right to me when it came to this chip here. You know, compared to the way some of the other ones did. So I'm like, okay. Look at that. Right? So I'm like, okay. And now, mind you, I've done, besides all that, I went through all this RAM, just all this logic here, just to make sure that the program was being fed right. I went through all this here, all this logic, all this, coming up this way, coming down this way, until I came right around here, to right here. This one right here, this 74LS74. And let me see here. Let me grab this LS74. Let me bend it just a little bit so it sits proper. And we're just going to piggyback. That is not sitting real great, but okay. There we go. Nope. Nope. I don't think that's the one. Is that not the one? Oh, is it this one? Hang on 1 second. Yeah, sorry. It wasn't this one. Sorry, where am I here? Sorry, I've just been all over this so many times. It wasn't this one here, it was this one. Sorry, it was this 74. Right here. Now watch. Hey. No color shifting. Nothing of the sort. Hey. There we go. Now, normally, I wouldn't really make a video about this, right? But this is quite an interesting board here. And I don't, by the way, you can see, yes, we are good there, right? And here again, right? Now this is quite the setup. You're like, well, what is that? That's got to be just your, that's your audio amplifier, right? Because, a lot of these boards probably would have been inserted into other Donkey Kong machines or something of the sort, right? That was my thought. So I look right here and I'm like, wait a second. That's the volume control. So what is this? So I start looking at it here. And we've got a 555 timer here. I don't know what this is, but how can I do this at the same time? Oh, shoot. I lost sync. Hang on here 1 second. I'm going to show you this. Okay, let's try it this way here. Get you zoomed in just a little bit here. Right? So again, we're fine. Right? What exactly is the purpose of this? I wonder if you're catching that. What's happening here? I'm sorry, this is odd. Can you tell? It's a speed up hack. So that, I assume, is normal. You know what I should do? Hang on here. You know what I should do? Is I should start a game. Let me find the pin out again for this 18 pin edge connector here. And let me find coin up and start here. Okay, so I got a game started here. I wish I would have had that recorded because that was the wild sounds. Right? Okay, so they sound normal, right? Okay, well, they don't sound normal, but you know what I mean. For this, they do. Okay, so I got a hold of... Right? Listen to this. It is literally a speed up hack. That is pretty crazy. I have never heard that. This is wigging out because I still have to change this out, and it was just losing connection there. That is one of the wildest things I've ever seen on a bootleg. I mean, it's an overclock circuit. That is mind-blowing. So let me get this one changed out. We'll come back and we'll end this. Okay, we've got socket going here. Let's give it a test fire. And there we go. Beautiful. That looks good to me. So yeah, we'll call it on this one. So that's that's quite wild. That is quite wild. Alrighty, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.